are mums. Chrysanthemums right here. They wintered over. This is what they were in. This old whiskey barrel planter. Good to survive the winter in this. I think they did. But this planter is not going to last another season. Look, it's rotting, falling apart. Bottom's about to fall out of it. So I'm gonna take these out of here and transplant them into the new garden bed that I'm making. I'm also going to divide this too. This is a good time of year to plant and divide mums. Most people don't plant them until the fall when they're ready to bloom, which is because they want instant gratification. But if I plant them now, I'll have these for basically nothing, just my time. And they'll have nice flowers in the fall. And they'll do well too, because I know how to take care of them. Yeah, I'll show you the new flower bed I'm making. Right here. I've already planted some. Oh, this is beautiful soil. this all worked up nice. I had 3 of those barrels, and I already added soil from 2 of the barrels, which I think is going to be plenty. So I'm going to find another place to put the 3rd one. See, it's that easy. Yeah, see this little spot there? This is my secret tripod. I just stand up my phone in soft ground. It doesn't move. Oh, see this gray stuff? I also put some wood ashes in for fertilizer. That's a nice organic fertilizer. Just don't want to use too much of it. Yeah, look at my hands. I could use a rake to smooth out the bed and a little trowel to dig the holes if I wanted to. But there's just something about the feel of soil in your hands. Oh yeah, I also could wear gloves. But it comes out with soap and water easily. I really like the texture of this soil too. See, I can squeeze it. And look, it'll stay, but then it breaks apart super easily. This is going to be perfect for growing flowers. Oh, and I'll also show you this, what's left of these barrels. Yeah, look at the, see this one? The bottom fell right out of that. And the second one's even worse. The second one's all in pieces. But they've been used for several years now. I don't even remember how many years it's been. They did grow some nice tomatoes too. I'd have tomatoes, sometimes tomatoes and marigolds. I'd plant those together. See the banding's all rusty. This wood is rotten. anytime you have wood in contact with soil, it usually rots fairly quickly. You know, it might take a few years, but it just doesn't last. And I'll be sure to show you the progress of these. In about a month, it'll be time to pinch them back for the first time. And I'll try to remember to take a video of that. So I hope you enjoyed this little gardening video. Thank you for watching. Bye.